Good morning, traders. Sasha here, and once again with another update on AirCanada stock. Quick disclaimer that this is just how I see the markets. This is not a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any securities. I just want to take this opportunity to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. That helps me a lot to make more videos. If you haven't, please do. If you like the videos, at least click the like button on the YouTube so that I get more hits as far as the channel. Once again, I thank you all for watching my videos. What a week that was. $7 in gains within 10 days of trading. That's what I'm talking about as far as the trading and knowing where to place your trades, how far to measure as far as the targets or where market could stall. And after receiving this beautiful signal here, market actually left us these crumbs here, letting us know that this $15 area is going to be a strong area for buyers, and that's exactly what happened. After receiving the spin bar, market just took off and reached to $22 within 11 days of trading. Where are we right now? Well, we should not ever forget that we are looking at the history as far as the technical trading, and we are still bouncing inside this box. This is a box or a range where the market is stalling constantly, right? It's going to the top and then hits the bottom, and now we are again at this. See, we are bouncing, and now we are back at this top, which is a $22 of trading range. I also warned everybody that if you were looking to get the trade at $15 here, and your investment was going at the $15 here, to be please aware at 1750 area right here, 1720, 1750 area, 1850 area right here, and also this is a 1953. Of course, we were also hoping for the market to push all the way to $22. We can see the market stalled right here, and then we came down. We retested this area. Market tried to break out. As you can see, the market tried to break out of this area, was not able to hold. The market did break out. However, the sellers were much stronger. They pushed the price backwards, back underneath at $22, and the price closed on the $22. So this area becomes also very, very significant there. After bouncing back at the $15, we had this again 1580 area that took us back all the way to $22, almost $23 I would say from here, right? What happened there, we had sellers that pushed at that $22 area because they saw the previous bounces right there. Buyers were strong enough, they broke out and also closed the price. However, in the next session, that was confirmed that this area is very strong. The sellers took over the area and then drove the market back. This happens at all times when we are trading in some kind of a range, and this was a range as well. If you look at the box right there, this was a range where the market was bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. What's happening here? Basically, they're buying the dips, right? And they're selling the top because they know that the market will stall this area. So buyers are taking profits at this area. So we know that $22 is a very major area over there. In the past, we had 3 bounces off this area. After receiving this beautiful signal here, market took off, bounced off $19, came down to $18.50, found the support. This was the support, got this beautiful engulfing candle, which took us all the way to $22. So I'll tell you what 2 scenarios I'm looking at right now. But first of all, we stalled at this level here, which was about 2250 area, right? The market came down to retest it. We had a bounce again, and we went all the way to $22. 2 scenarios can happen from this area here, and I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. The price is right here at the $22, close to $22. What I'm expecting for market to do is from this area here to come down right here to 2045 area, around there, or even to $19. Because we can see that in past we stalled at that area. That area could get retested. So you have another opportunity to get into a trade. If the market is strong enough, it will bounce off 2045 around this area. Okay, so what I'm expecting is market to come down here, give us that nice maybe pin bar or engulfing bar. If you looked at my videos, how I trade in technical trading, that could give us a signal to continue on, and the market could break this $22. Which I expect it to do. It will come back. It will definitely come back to this 22 area to retest, and if it's strong enough, it will just continue on to the next target. Or this area could go sideways or in consolidations, like consolidation, pardon me, like we had here before for a couple of weeks until the buyers and sellers, the struggle between them decides which is going to be a winning party and where do we continue on. There's also another option here, but everything's possible at this COVID-19 era. We could, and again, we should not forget that we are trading in this range, and this range is between $15 and $22. One market could come down again to this $15 area to retest and then bounce back again to this area here. So let's take a look at our next target. I would say our first target would be $24. Next one would be around $28. And then we would go up to $32.14 and then $36.75. So those are your new targets to look for. Of course, it does look very bullish to me. As we can see, the market is continuing on, and this announcements of the vaccine and this joint ventures between AirCanada and WestJet, they're pushing for rapid testing as far as the travelers goes, is just boosting the market even more. So this is how I see the market at this point of time. We are right at the level where we were stalling before. So be aware of that. If it does break out of this 22 area and retest that area, gets us a nice signal, it will be a good re-entry for the buyers again into this market. This concludes my video for today. Once again, I want to thank everybody that subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe or click that like button so I get more hits as far as the video. That really helps me make more videos. So once again, thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. Again, this is not an advice for anybody to buy, sell, or hold any securities, especially this stock. This is my view of the market, and I stick by it for myself. This is how I trade, and this is how I see where the market will be going. Thank you, and have a great day. Sasha signing out.